A broken bank connection in the Dave app can affect features like extra cash, account updates, and transaction syncing. But the problem is often resolved by reconnecting your bank account correctly. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify the cause, reconnect your account, and know when it's time to contact Dave support. Start by checking whether your bank account still appears in the Dave app. If the account is listed but your balance or transactions aren't updating, the connection may have expired and need to be refreshed. Open the linked account settings and look for the option to reconnect or verify your bank account. Many banks require you to sign in again after changing passwords or updating their security settings. Make sure you're entering the same username and password you use on your bank's official website or mobile app. If you've recently changed your banking credentials, update them during the reconnection process. Next, log in directly to your bank's own app. If you can't access your account there either, the problem is with the bank, not Dave. Also check for security notifications from your bank. Some banks require you to approve new third-party connections before they allow financial apps to access your account information again. Keep the Dave app updated through your device's app store. Running the latest version helps prevent compatibility issues with newer banking systems. If reconnecting doesn't work, remove the bank connection only if you're sure you can add it again. Then go through the complete linking process from the beginning, following each verification step carefully. Avoid repeatedly disconnecting and reconnecting your account within a short period. Multiple failed connection attempts can trigger temporary security restrictions at some banks. If your bank recently performed scheduled maintenance or experienced an outage, wait until services are fully restored before trying again. Once the connection is working, verify that your recent transactions and account balance are updating normally. That confirms the sync has been restored successfully. If the bank still won't connect after you've verified your login credentials and completed the linking process, contact Dave support. Provide your bank's name, your device type, and the exact error message if one appears. Including those details helps the support team determine whether the issue is specific to your account or related to the bank connection service. To sum it up, confirm your banking credentials, reconnect your account, verify that your bank is working normally, and contact support if the connection still fails. Next, sign into your bank directly, then reconnect it in the Dave app using your current login information. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Dave app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.